So friends, welcome once again on this YouTube channel named as Lalit Lakshane. Today we are going to discuss about Roman numerals in a very colorful and attractive manners. So friends, as the name suggests, Roman numerals, definitely these are from Rome. We have got all these from Rome, and for your information, I would like to tell you that only 7 symbols are being used here to write any biggest Roman numeral. One more thing, there is no zero in this Roman numeral system. It's very easy to write, to understand and to read Roman numerals, but for that you will have to do a little better study. So before to move again, which are those 7 symbols? The first one is I, second V, third X, fourth L, then C, then D, and the last one is N. All these only 7 symbols constitute the whole Roman numbers. That is very interesting. And now we'll see Roman numerals from 1 to 10. I stands for 1, double I stands for 2, triple I stands for 3, IV stands for 4, V stands for 5, VS stands for 6, V double I stands for 7, V triple I stands for 8, IX stands for 9, and X stands for 10. Likewise, we can have Roman numerals from 11 to 20, as you can see here on this picture. 11 XI, 12 X double I, 13 X triple I, 14 XIV, 15 XV, 16 XVI, 17 XV double I, 18 XV triple I, 19 XIX, and 20 double X. Likewise, Roman numerals from 21 to 30, 21 XXI, 22 XX double I, 23 XX triple I, 24 XXIV, 25 XXV, 26 XXVI, 27 XXV double I, 28 XXV triple I, 29 XXIX, and 30 triple X. We can write the Roman numerals from 31 to 40 likewise, as you can see. Then we can also have 41 to 50, then 51 to 60, then 61 to 70. It's very easy to write down those Roman numerals. Then 71 to 80, 81 to 90, and 91 to 100. 91, we can write 91 as XCI, XC double I for 92, XC triple I for 93, XCIV for 94, XCV for 95, XCVI for 96, XCV double I for 97, XCV triple I for 98, XCIX for 99, and C stands for 100. Friends, some big Roman numerals for our information. C is for 100, double C is for 200, triple C is for 300. But for your kind information, 4 times C can't be written as for 400. So CD is for 400. I will clear the matter in next slides. So D stands for 500, DC for 600, D double C for 700, D triple C for 800, CM for 900, and M for 1000. There are few rules framed for writing these Roman numerals. If one or more letters are placed after another letter of greater value, we have to add to the bigger number. For example, we have here VII. So bigger number is V, and after that we have got II. The value of II is 2, so we will have to add 5 plus 2, so it will become as 7. XV double I, the value of X is 10, VII stands for 7, so it will become collectively as 17. The one more example is there, MMDC. M stands for 1000, another M stands for again 1000, D stands for 500, and C stands for 100, so it will become collective as 2600. Another rule: if a letter is placed before another letter of greater value, we will have to subtract it. So example is ix. Bigger number is x, and on before it we have got I, that is 1. So the value of ix will become as 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Another example, xl. The value of L is 50, the value of x is 10, so it will become 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. One more example, CML. The value of M stands for 1000, the value of C is 100, the value of L is 50, so M is before, C is before M, so it will become as 900, and L is after M, so it will get added and it will, the whole amount will become as 950. One more rule, as I told it earlier, that we can't write any numeral, any Roman numeral for more than 3 in a succession. So as you think that we can write 3 as triple I, then we can also write 4 as 4 times I. No, it's not possible. It's not being in the rule. You can't write 40 as 4 times x or 4 as 4 times I. So it is rule framed by Roman numericals. One more rule is there, and that's very interesting. The value of any Roman numeral will become multiplied by 1000 times just by a horizontal bar, and that special horizontal bar is called as macron. So whenever there is macron over any Roman numeral, the value of it will be 1000 times. So as you can see here, V, and over it a macron is there, so the value of V is 5, but if we put macron over it, the value of macron V will become 5000. Then few more rules are there. If we put 2 vertical bars over a macron number, again the value of those macron number after putting 2 vertical bars again will be 1000 times more than that of. So it is also another rule, we will see it later sometime. You can only subtract powers of 10, that is 1, 10, 100 likewise. You can't subtract any number like VC. If you think that V is smaller and we can subtract from C, so the value of VC should be 95, but it's not true, because the rule has been framed that you can only subtract powers of 10 and not numbers like 2, 3 or 5, etc. So you can't write 95 as VC, we will have to write 95 as just XCV only. So that is very important as well. Now where do we use Roman numerals? So it's very common, watches and clocks. The numbers are there, mostly the numbers are in Roman numericals. One more example is there, whenever there is a book, a big book, before to come main pages, the intro, the forewords or the preface is being, the pages like those are being numbered with Roman numerals. Another example is to identify the kings and queens. The Roman numerals were being used, and even in today cricketing world, some teams are being named by using Roman numerals. One more, we can use Roman numerals in writing dates. If we write daily dates in Roman numerals, that will be very easy for us to understand, to remember these Roman numerals. So today's date is 24th July 2018. We can write this date as XXIV, and the month is 7th, so it will be VII, and year is 2018. For 2000 we have double M, For 18 we have got here XV triple I. So 2018 will stand as MMXV triple I. So these are the ways of writing dates. Now friends, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and share my videos. Also subscribe my YouTube channel as Lalit Lakshane. Thank you so much friends.